right here.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I see it now.
But I drove it from the shop about 10 miles away back to here, and I noticed it was leaking.
That's what the shop did, or?
Yeah, it was what my old boss that I just quit my job.
Oh, okay.
Did.
They were using it, like you were saying.
I loaned it to him for 2 months. He had talked about just buying it off of me, and then him and I got in an argument.
Oh.
And I'm like, no.
Yeah, I'll take that back. I'm gonna start it up again one more time and do that.
To cycle through that, you can actually put this in neutral. You're gonna put your, oh, never mind. Sometimes it,
Oh, on cycle.
yeah, until it actually gets up. See the engine hours, 661 on it. Said they couldn't, the odometer on the truck, obviously. Did it, but they reset the engine hours.
Okay. When they put the new engine in. Got it. Okay. Yeah. Alright, I keep focusing on the coolant tank because you'll see later the water comes out, but at this point I'm not too happy with this truck. The engine sounds horrible. When I put it through the gears, it didn't shift. I didn't even end up test driving this thing. I think I'm trying to get that water coming out. I think right here you'll see it. Let's see if this one comes out. And there it come pouring out. That is not good, and it was all water. There was no coolant. So obviously that coolant leak that was apparently fixed. That's probably been going on for a while. So now, you know, I just kind of like to show what I check. So you always want to get under the truck, look at your brakes, look at any rust, look at your, you know, looking for your frame. You're looking at any leaks coming out the oil pan, the trans, any holes in the exhaust system, your tie rod ends, your gravel hole stuff, make sure it's tight. Your fuel tank is up there, no major damage. Your rear diff, no leaks coming out of there. All your U-joints are all tight, all your bushings are good. That's basically it. So that's basically it on that inspection. Got some new merch coming out for the ladies, the guys, mechanics / truck and stuff. Gonna come out with some other stuff. But alright, AM PM out.